The Asus ROG Falchion RX Low Profile is a compact wireless mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and professionals seeking a blend of performance, portability, and aesthetic appeal. Design and build quality. This keyboard features a 65% layout, retaining essential keys like arrow keys while omitting the function row and numpad to save space. Its low-profile design contributes to a sleek appearance and comfortable typing experience without the need for a wrist rest. Switches and typing experience. Equipped with Asus's proprietary ROG RX low-profile optical switches, the Falchion RX offers a smooth and responsive typing experience. These factory-lubricated switches have an actuation point of 1 mm and a total travel distance of 2.8 mm. Connectivity and battery life. The Falchion RX supports tri-mode connectivity, low-latency 2.4 GHz wireless via the included dongle, Bluetooth pairing with up to 3 devices, and wired USB-C. This versatility allows seamless switching between devices and ensures compatibility across various platforms. Performance. The Falchion RX delivers outstanding latency, making it well-suited for both casual and competitive gaming. Overall, the Asus ROG Falchion RX Low Profile stands out as a well-crafted keyboard that successfully combines a compact form factor with high-performance features. Its responsive switches, versatile connectivity, and thoughtful design elements make it a compelling choice for gamers and professionals alike. Thank you so much.